Something special happened on a magical winter night as snowflakes covered the treetops and silence embraced the village. The sky was bright and sparkling, and the cold air was filled with the scent of winter. Suddenly, in the distance, there was a faint jingling sound. Not the church bell, but the sound of someone's magical sleigh. Who could it be, children? Can you guess?
Of course, it's Santa Claus.
Do you know who Santa Claus is? He's a kind and jolly old man who loves all the children in the world. He has a long white beard, a red coat, and a big smile on his face. His greatest joy is preparing gifts for children and leaving them under the Christmas tree while everyone is asleep. They say he lives far away at the North Pole, where hardworking elves help him, and his magical sleigh is pulled by flying reindeer. Every year, right before Christmas, Santa travels all around the world, filling homes with joy and warmth. And on this very night, he was beginning his most magical journey. Santa Claus doesn't arrive like ordinary visitors. He's not accompanied by twinkling stars or dazzling lights. Instead, he's followed by the joy and love he brings into every home. That Christmas Eve, while children excitedly dreamed of Christmas magic and the gifts awaiting them, Santa Claus was at his North Pole workshop, his cheerful toy factory, where the most beloved toys come to life. He was carefully checking the last gifts he would soon deliver to the children. With his loyal elves, he was finishing presents that weren't just toys or sweets but thoughtful little tokens, made especially for each child in the world.
Is everything ready?
Santa asked his elf, Gustav, who was standing next to a bag overflowing with gifts. Gustav nodded.
Just one last check on Rudolph's nose,
he said with a smile. Rudolph, the lead reindeer with the shiny red nose, let out a happy snort.
Ready to go, boss,
he said, wagging his tail. Santa jumped into his big sleigh and waved one last goodbye to the elves.
I'll be back by morning,
he chirped, then rang his magical bell to signal the start of his journey. The reindeer took off like the wind, and Santa dove into the night, carrying the most important treasures: warmth, joy, and kindness. But do you know what was the most special thing about this night? Every house was unique to Santa Claus. At the first house, he peeked through the window and heard the soft breathing of children peacefully sleeping, dreaming of the gifts he would bring. In the second house, he found freshly baked cookies and a cup of warm milk left just for him. At the third house, he discovered a little note.
Dear Santa, I've been good and happy all year. I would love a magical book.
As he quietly placed gifts under the Christmas tree, Santa paused each time to smile.
This one is for Frenchy, a set of animal figurines because his love for animals is endless, and he enjoys exploring their world. And this is for Lolo, a big bicycle because her passion for riding through the forest is as big as her love for new adventures. This one is for Charlie, a toy train because he loves to dream about faraway journeys. For Mia, a drawing set because her imagination paints the world with the most beautiful colors. And for Leo, a chessboard because he's always ready for a challenge. And for Ella, a doll playset because her love for friendship knows no bounds.
Santa said proudly, thinking of all the children who believed in the magic of Christmas. For Santa Claus, every moment was filled with love. But he didn't just deliver gifts. Sometimes, he left little messages like, "Keep spreading kindness," or "Always remember to help your friends." Because the true magic of Christmas isn't in receiving presents but in giving love and sharing joy. When the sounds of the night grew still, Santa turned to the sky and said to his reindeer,
Let's move on. Our gifts will bring magic to many more homes.
The reindeer dashed forward, and the sleigh disappeared into the distance. By morning, as children worldwide opened their gifts, Santa was already back home at the North Pole. He sat in his comfy chair, wrapped in a blanket, and smiled.
Ho ho ho, another Christmas full of joy,
he said contentedly, before drifting off to sleep. Children, when you go to bed tonight and feel the warmth of Christmas, remember that Santa doesn't just bring presents. He brings something much more precious. A reminder that the most beautiful gifts we can give each other are love, smiles, and friendship. Who knows, maybe tonight as you sleep, you'll hear a bell in the distance. It's not a dream. It's the magic of Christmas filling hearts with joy and peace. Merry Christmas, my dear children. May this magical day bring light, love, and precious moments with your loved ones that you'll treasure forever. May every smile be a gift, and every hug the best present of all. Bye-bye for now, my little friends. See you again very soon.
Oh!